Hey, it's Reese, Saint Beauty Artist. Get ready with me. Let's set our makeup with a setting spray, wipe off the excess with the sponge. Let's open the palette and get started. This is our main highlight that will cover our red and then our blemishes and any imperfections we have. Next, we're going to use our brightening highlight that'll brighten our face. Applying it around my eyes, down my nose. Now, let's blend it together. Wipe off the excess with a sponge. Now, let's bronze for a golden glow. I like Bella bronzer. Let's blend that. Next, we're going to contour to make our face look three-dimensional, to make our forehead, our nose look smaller, and to give us that chiseled look. I'm going to contour my nose with the multitasker brush. Now I'm contouring my lips. Let's blend again. Not too much. Now, since I'm oily, I'm going to add some setting powder. I'm going to apply it heavy and wipe it off later. Now, I'm going to apply my lip and cheek, which is Madrid. It's a great neutral color. It's a satin. Now let's blend that. All right, I'm going to wipe off that excess powder. Now I'm going to contour my eyebrows with my indigo contour using the multitasker brush. Contour my lips, make them look more plump. Now let's add a little eyeshadow. This is Cafe. Gonna clean off the eyeshadow with June, my lighter highlight. Apply some illuminator called Starlit to give me that glow, to catch the light. It's a powder illuminator. Apply some mascara, and then I'm going to run some eyeshadow along the bottom of my eye. Spray. It's as simple as that. All my makeup in one compact, and I'm out the door. The makeup for the minimalist. Message me for a color match, and let's get started. Simple Beauty by Reese.